Hi everyone, welcome to Bloomfield Car Sales. Located on the Greenhills Road in Dublin 12, we are just a 5-minute drive from exit 10 Ballymount on the M50. Today we are presenting you a walk around of our 2017 Volkswagen Golf 4. This Mark 7.5 is finished in Lapis Blue and it is sitting on 18-inch Cadiz alloys that are fitted with new Michelin Pilot Sport tyres. The best thing about this car for me is that it is a 6-speed manual. A proper hot hatch, being 3-door as well. Now let's give her a start. Multifunction steering wheel, digital dash, your adaptive cruise control, all important 6-speed manual selector. On the infotainment then it's touchscreen, you have your sat nav. If we go back to vehicle, you have your performance monitor, you have your lap timer if you're into that sort of thing. You also have your heated seats, dual climate control, auto hold handbrake. Your multiple driving modes are here, so you have eco, normal, race, and then obviously individual if you are equipped to set the car up. The car is complete with a full service history from Volkswagen and is available to view now. If you're interested, give us a call on 085 100 8394 or get in touch through Cars Ireland, Carzone or Dundee if you're seeing this as a classified ad. Finance is available on this car and viewing is available by appointment after hours also. Thank you for watching.